cooking, kitchen. We are doing something fun and exciting. This is my business partner and my co-chef today. This is Manfred, and he's got a great hack for us.
Well, I'm not a co-chef, okay?
Well, I'm going to call you
I'm learning every
today.
time I'm here. I just want to give all the time, sometimes a little hack. You know when you have the white bread?
Yes.
You know? And I used to keep it in here in these containers, plastic containers, which is a good idea, except when you take it out.
Smells like plastic.
Smells like plastic, not a good idea. So then you open this up when you use it, and which is a task on itself, right?
Right, the
Take
little
this out,
twisty ties.
yes. And by the way, if it's white, green, or blue, or whatever, it indicates the day that it was made.
Oh, great.
Did you know that?
I've
That's
heard
another-
about that before, so that you could be able to spot the freshest bread at
Exactly.
the grocery store. That's a wonderful
Exactly.
hack.
So here's the family bread, it goes out, and now you're stuck with this, and then what happens is, a lot of times you lose these things,
They're gone.
or then you go like this, and then of course you fiddle it around here, and then you have problems opening it back up. It's like one
Exactly.
disaster to the next disaster.
Right, and you smush the bread in the plastic.
Exactly. So here's what I saw the other day from a friend, and I'm thinking, how would have known this earlier? You just twist it,
Okay.
and then you just flip it over.
Oh my gosh, isn't that the smartest
Carrie,
thing?
keep
There
it.
you go.
See ya.
Wonderful. Keeping my bread fresh today.